poured fondant covered cakes. Are they simple enough for a husband to do? My husband especially? We'll see what happens. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna make this cute little cake hearts. I'm gonna cut them with this cookie cutter, and then I'm gonna cover them with some melted fondant, which should be fun to work. I tried it once before, but nonetheless, it should be very simple, easy enough that my husband even might be able to try it. Maybe. He's really not very good with baking. Well, anyways, we are going to get started with this. So I have baked the cake. I have a sheet cake here. And I have some cookie cutters. I don't know, we're gonna keep it open. I might use these sprinkles that I have. So yeah, we'll see. Let's get started. I'm just making sure that the shape of my heart is nice and the way I want it. So that's it. I'm just gonna start cutting away, get a bunch of them ready, figure out how to make the melted fondant. I had a brilliant idea just because I can. I have different sized hearts, and I'm gonna make a tiny little 3-tiered cake. We'll see how that looks. No, it's still going to be super simple for a husband that does not know how to bake. We'll see, maybe I'll make my husband try it. If he can do it, anybody can. Shh, don't tell him I said that. I am going to put a little bit of butter, well, actually, yeah, maybe I'll just like lightly crumb coat all of these in a little bit of my Swiss meringue buttercream. But for my tiered cake, I'm gonna add a nice layer of filling. I'm gonna stick all of these in the fridge for a few minutes while I get my fondant ready, because it should not take very long for them to cool down. So I put some fondant here. It's probably about a pound, a little bit, maybe a little bit more. I put some fondant in a microwave safe dish, and I am going to put it in the microwave at a low power, about 50%, and I'm going to start, maybe I'm gonna give it 45 seconds maybe a minute, because it's low power. A minute to begin with, and then 30-second intervals until it has warmed up and it's soft enough, and then I'm gonna add some of my simple syrup, which is 1 part sugar, 1 part water, and I'm gonna mix it until it has like a pouring consistency. So we'll see what happens. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing. All right. Oh, it's looking really good. I need a teeny bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit more simple syrup. This is it. We're gonna give it a try. We're gonna try 1 cake. So now let's give it a try. Okay, here is our 3-tiered cake. Really? Okay, so these guys have had, I would say about half hour, an hour to dry. So now I'm going to try again without dropping them this time. And it feels pretty firm, the fondant. So I'm just gonna touch the bottom a little bit. This is the fallen one. Here are the 3 little heart-shaped cakes that we made. I ended up putting sprinkles on them and I think they came out really cute. The hardest part, I think, was getting the mixture to the right consistency, but at the end of the day, if you just cover it in sprinkles, it should cover up any mistakes. So I think simple enough. What do you guys think? Really? Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also hit that bell so you can know when more videos are coming out.